Howdy folks, welcome back. If you happen to be new, don't forget to subscribe while you're here. So, as an eclectic motorcycle enthusiast, not only am I into Harleys, which I primarily ride Harleys, but I have all kinds of different motorcycles, and one of my weird motorcycles is KTM Duke 690. This is a really fun rip around the mountains bike. I don't ride it a ton at all. But it is a cool bike, and I like a lot of things about it, but one of the things that I hate about it is the exhaust. This is the worst sounding motorcycle I think I've ever owned. And if you have a Duke and you love the sound, sorry to hurt your feel bads, but I think that this thing sounds like garbage. Now, mine does have a cat delete, and I've never had it with the original cat on there, so maybe with that it sounds better. But in my opinion, this thing sounds horrible, and I'll start it so you can hear it. But it was worth it to me to take a $125 gamble on a Chinesium eBay Akropovich exhaust, or however you say it. I know I get ridiculed every time in the comments. But yeah, there's an eBay special, $125. They have different styles you can get. I'll put a link or two in the description down below. Anywhere from 125 to like 150 bucks. It showed up super fast. I'll show you the packaging. I did a little undo video. The quality I'm pretty impressed with, so let's throw it on and we'll see how it sounds. We're gonna open the garage here so we don't fume ourselves out. Now I'm not gonna let it run too long because I don't want it super hot to work on. So, like every good China product from eBay, there's no instructions, but we got some hardwares, we got a bracket, and I'm pretty impressed with the quality of this thing. It's actually really nice. So, I don't know, hopefully it sounds good, but look at the welds. They look good. Not too bad. So as far as mounting, we have a T45 and a T27. And that's all that holds the exhaust on. She should pop right off. Easy breezy, lemon squeezy. So I got the new mid pipe right here. Looks exactly the same. And I got the old gasket, so we're just gonna reuse that. And hopefully we can sandwich that guy in there. All right, so we're not going to put that on super tight because we got to line everything up top. So what I'm doing here is the little strap mount has a rubber guard. Yeah, Jeff has this thing all fucked off. So installation could not be easier. Number 6 for your new top bolt, and then I just reused the old clamp, and look at how good it looks. So let's fire this thing up, and we'll see if it sounds any better. All right, moment of truth. Outside, it sounds pretty good. So after listening to the bike and, you know, installing the pipe, I got to tell you, this is the best $125 I've spent in a long time. I don't know. I think it's awesome. It sounds definitely better. I think it's just the nature of the motor that it's never going to sound great because it's just a single, but definite sound improvement because the stock pipe, it sucks. So yeah, I will put a link in the description. There's a couple different people that sell them on eBay. There's also a couple other websites I think that sell them, but I got mine on eBay, $125. They shipped it to all 50 states, if you know what I'm saying. Some places don't want to do that. Fast shipping. Couldn't be happier. So thanks for tuning in. If you happen to be new, don't forget to subscribe while you're here. We are building a giveaway chopper, and it is late o'clock. I've been working on that, and that's going to be awesome. So don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.